Mitsubishi. My name is Andrew, and today we'll be looking at a 2013 Holden Commodore Evoque. Now this is a build 2013, but it's an MY14, so that means feature wise and looks it's all an MY14. So as you guys can see, it's got this really nice look at the front. You've got wide front headlights as well, you've got LED headlights and front sensors as well. Now we'll try and mention as many features as I can, but the whole point of this video is talk about the condition, and as you can see it does look really clean from
Hey everyone, it's Banu here again from Berwick Mitsubishi. 2014 Toyota Kluger. The car has done just shy of condition, as a 3.5 litre petrol engine. It is a 6-speed automatic. So first thing we can see is this very nice metallic brown colour running throughout the vehicle as well. And the very nice chrome dealing and black accents to offset that colour, and the very nice Toyota badge central to the vehicle as well. We do have your fog lights mounted there at the bottom too, as we can see. And black slim line plates really do offset that colour. Having a look on the side profile of the vehicle, as we can see it is on near new tyres. As is the paint. There's some options as well, including this roof fitted to the vehicle. On the inside we do have this very nice brown leather fabric and plastic trimming that offsets very nicely. Ample storage here at the door as well, and ample room here in that glove box too. We'll look over that interior. For a car with these kind of a great condition, and it does come with full books and 2 sets of keys as well, and Kluger mats all around. Coming through the rear wheels, mud flaps as well. And going through to the rear,
you've got your
brown leather, fabric and plastic volume. And plenty of storage here in the door itself. Very nice mats consistently out the vehicle too. And these seats are just fantastic condition. No tears whatsoever. Your rear passengers have their own aircon controls as well, just mounted there under the armrest console. Additional storage down there. Seats fold. As well, really easy accessible connectivity from, oh you're kidding me. Hey everyone, it's Banu here again from Berwick Mitsubishi. Today we'll be looking over this 2014 Cougar GX. This car is a 2014 MY14, has done just shy of 200,000 kilometers, but is in fantastic condition given its age and